Welcome back. Today's lesson is rounding whole numbers. So, are you ready for today's riddle? When does it rain money? As always, the
Ready? Here we go.
So,
Wiki. Find the place value. Circle that digit, then move to the right and underline it. 0 through 4. The circle stays the same. But 5 through 9, adding 1 is the game. Now, flex your muscle, just like a hero. Digits to the right, change to 0. All the other numbers stay the same. Yo, you're a winner in the rounding game. You got that? Let's do it. One more time for the little people. Here we go. Find the place value and circle the digit. Move to the right and underline it. 0 through 4. The circle stays the same. But 5 through 9, adding 1 is the game. Now, flex your muscles, just like a hero. Digits to the right, turn into 0. All the other numbers, they stay the same. Yo, you're a winner in the rounding game.
this video often so that you will be a master of rounding, like Mr. Aguilar, whoever he is. So, why do we round? Well, we round for estimation. It's the only reason we round. So sometimes it's when an exact answer is not needed, like this couple grocery shopping. You know they have a certain amount of money. They don't want to spend more than it, so as they're putting things in their little grocery cart, they're just kind of doing a quick ad and saying, okay, that loaf of bread that's $1.10 is really about $1, and the can of beans they picked up is 79 cents, so they'll count that as $1 too, so they know they've spent about $2, and when they get to the cash register, they'll have enough money. The other reason that we round is to check for reasonableness of an answer. So if you're adding 549 and 237, you can round both of those numbers and come up with 600 and say, okay, so I know my answer is going to be more than 600 and most likely not more than 700. So that if you get something that doesn't match that, then you should go back and check your work. So go ahead and do a little bit of practice. So let's round 423,978 to the thousands place. So I'm going to write my number down, and sticking with what we learned in the rap, I am going to circle the thousands place and underline the number to the right. So I've got 5 or more, so my 3 will become a 4, and I'm going to rename everything else 0. Okay, so now it's your turn to do some rounding. I want you to round 34,497 to the tens place. Go ahead and pause the video, do your work, and then come back and check your answer. I said pause the video. Okay, so welcome back. So I'm going to do it now, 34,497, and I want to round to the tens place, so I'm going to circle the 9. I'm going to underline the 7. So because the 7 is 5 or more, the 9 is going to get 1 added to it, so it's going to become 10. Well, I can't write 10 in that one spot, so I have to carry the 1 over to the 4, so the 4 will become a 5. I still have my 34 thousands, and I'm going to replace the 9 and the 7 with 0. So the answer is 34,500. Alright, so you're going to do your note page, you're going to practice some work. Oh, you're waiting for the answer to to today's riddle. So when does it rain money? When there's change in the weather. Ah, so funny. All right, see you in class tomorrow.